Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Okay, our geography lesson 5 is completed today. Let's revise all the main points from geography lesson 5. Lesson's name is industry. First, what is the definition of industry? What is the definition of industry? What is industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of services. Thus we have iron and steel industry, coal mining industry and tourism industry. That is the definition of industry. Next, classification of industry. Industries are classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. On the basis of raw materials, industries are classified into 4. They are agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, marine-based industry and forest-based industry. What is agro-based industry? Industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based and forest-based. First, let's look what is agro-based industry. Agro-based industry use plant and animal-based products as their raw material. Plant products or animal-based products raw material ആയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയാണ് നമ്മൾ agro-based industry എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Example, leather industry, textile industry, all these are examples of agro-based industry. Then based on raw material, second section is mineral-based industry. Mineral-based industries use mineral ores as their raw material. Mineral ores raw material ആയിട്ട് use ചെയ്തുള്ള ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസിനെ നമ്മൾ mineral-based industries എന്ന് പറയും. The product of these industries feed other industries. Example, iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral-based industry. Then example, building materials, heavy machinery, railway coaches and all examples of mineral-based industry. Then third one is marine-based industry. What is marine-based industry? Marine-based industry use products from the sea and oceans as their raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil. Seafood or manufacturing fish oil is example of marine-based industries. The last one, forest-based industries. Forest-based industries use forest products as their raw material. Example, pharmaceuticals, furniture and paper, etc. Reward examples on the then these are the industries classified on the basis of raw material. Next, second section is based on size. Industries are classified into small scale industry and large scale industry. Cottage or household industries are a type of cottage industries are basket weaving, pot making. All these are small scale examples. These small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology as compared to large scale industry. Small scale industry lesser amount of capital, technology and laborers industry small scale industry. Example, basket weaving, pot making, pottery and all these are examples of small scale industry. Then large scale industries, investment of capital is higher and technology usage superior in large scale industry. Large amount of investment, highest technology ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയാണ് ലാർജ് സ്കെയിൽ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Then production of automobiles and heavy industries are large scale industries. These are the industries classification on the basis of size. Then based on ownership, industries are classified into private sector industries, public sector industries, joint sector industries and cooperative sector industries. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. That is, ഒരു individual വ്യക്തിയോ ഒരു കൂട്ടം വ്യക്തികളോ ഒന്നിച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയാണ് പ്രൈവറ്റ് സെക്ടർ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Public sector industries are owned and operated by the government. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited ആണ് ഗവൺമെൻറ് എക്സാമ്പിളോ പബ്ലിക് സെക്ടർ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി. അത് ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഓപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന റൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ് ആണ് പബ്ലിക് സെക്ടർ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ്. എക്സാമ്പിൾ Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and the Steel Authority of India. All these are examples of public sector industries. Then joint sector industries are open. Third one is joint sector industries. They are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Individuals or group of individuals. State in the help of government industries. Joint sector industries. Last one is cooperative sector industries. These are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials. Raw materials supply in the producers and suppliers and joint industry and cooperative sector industry. Example Anand Milk Union and Sudha Dairy. These are the examples of cooperative sector industry. Next section is factors affecting location of industry. What are the factors needed for a location of industry? They are availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market. So what are the important factors that needed for the location of an industry? They are availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market. Then industrial system. Next important point from this section is industrial system. An industrial system consists of output, process and inputs, processing and outputs. The inputs are the raw materials, labor and cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure of the industry. Then the process include wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished product. Raw material finished products activities processing. Then the outputs are the end product. Input processing output profit or end product. Cloth industry shirt or end product shirt. Then industrial region. What are the major industrial regions of the world? They are major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Major industrial regions need to be located in the temperate grasslands, temperate areas near seaports and especially near ports. Industrial location, industries located in the seaport, coal field, raw material available transporting facility area industries established. India, major industrial regions of India are Mumbai, Pune cluster, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Hubli region, Ahmedabad, Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt, Gorgan, Delhi, Meerut region and the Kollam industrial. These are the industrial clusters. These are the important industrial region in India. Then what are the major industries? Distribution of major industries. The world's major industries are the iron and steel industry, textile industry and the information technology industry. The iron and steel industry and textile industry are older industries while information technology is an emerging industry. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. The major hubs of information technology, major centers of information technology industry are Silicon Valley of California and the Bangalore region of India. Then iron and steel industry, like other industries, iron and steel industry too comprises various inputs. We industry inputs processing output. Iron and steel inputs processing output. This is a feeder industry whose products are used as material for other industry. Iron and steel industry is a feeder industry. Iron and steel, iron ore iron produce iron industry raw material use. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal and limestone along with the labor, capital, site and other infrastructure of industry. The process of converting iron ore to steel has many stages. The raw material is put in the black furnace where it undergoes melting. Where it undergoes melting, it is then refined. The output of the steel which may be used by other industries as raw material. The steel is often called the backbone of modern India. Why steel is often called the backbone of industry? Because almost everything we use is either made of iron or steel or has been made with tools and machinery of these metals. Ships, trains, trucks and automobiles are ships, trains, trucks and autos are made largely of steel. Even the safety pin and the needle used are made from steel. Oil wells are drilled with steel machinery. Steel pipelines transport oil. Minerals are mined with steel equipments. Farm machines are mostly steel. Large buildings have steel framework. That's why steel is often called the backbone of modern. Ella industry raw material iron steel. Steel ആണ്. Even pin oil transportation pipeline steel pipeline. So this is the backbone of modern industry. Then Jamshedpur. Before 1947, there was only one iron and steel plant in the country, that is Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. Short form is TISCO. That is 1947 മുമ്പ് നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ഒരു ഒറ്റ iron and steel company ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ. അത് ജംഷഡ്പൂരിലുള്ള Tata Iron and Steel Company ആണ്. The short name is TISCO. TISCO. It was privately owned, private sector industry ആണ് ഈ Tata Iron and Steel industry. After independence, the government took initiative and set up several iron and steel plants. TISCO was started in 1907 at Sachi near the confluence of the river Subarnarekha and Kharkhai in Jharkhand. Later on, Sachi was renamed as Jamshedpur. Geographically, Jamshedpur is the most conveniently situated iron and steel center in the country. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ലൊക്കേഷണൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പ്ലേസ് ആണ് ജംഷഡ്പൂരിൽ. അതായത് ജംഷഡ്പൂരിന് നേരത്തെ സാച്ചി എന്നാണ് അറിയപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നത്. പിന്നെ അത് ജംഷഡ്പൂരായിട്ട് റീനെയിം ചെയ്യുകയും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ റോ മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സ്ഥലമാണ് ജംഷഡ്പൂർ. Sachi was chosen to set up the steel plant for several reasons. This place was only 32 km away from Kalmandi station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line. It was close to the iron ore, coal and manganese deposits as well as to Kolkata, which provided a large market. TISCO gets coal from Jaria coalfield and iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Kharkai and Subarnarekha rivers ensure sufficient water supply. Government initiative provided adequate capital for its later development. In Jamshedpur, several other industries plants were set up after TISCO. They produce chemicals, locomotives, parts, agricultural equipment, machinery, tin plate, cable and wire. Then next important section is Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is one of the important. Pittsburgh is an important steel city of the United States of America. USA is ഏറ്റവും important ആയിട്ടുള്ള steel city ആണ് Pittsburgh. The steel industry at Pittsburgh enjoys locational advantages. Some of the raw materials such as coal is available locally. അതായത് ലൊക്കേഷണൽ ഫെസിലിറ്റീസ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം അവൈലബിൾ ആണ് പിറ്റ്സ്ബർഗിൽ. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെയാണ് USA പിറ്റ്സ്ബർഗ് സ്റ്റീൽ സിറ്റി ആയിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തത്. While the iron ore comes from the iron mines in Minnesota, iron ore വാട്ടറും ലേബറേഴ്സും എല്ലാം അവൈലബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സീ പോർട്ട് എല്ലാം അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. About when the iron ore comes from the iron mines at Minnesota, about 1,500 km from Pittsburgh. Between these mines and Pittsburgh is one of the world's best routes for shipping or cheaply. The famous Great Lakes waterway. Trains carries ore from the Great Lakes to the Pittsburgh area. The Ohio and Monongahela and Allegheny rivers were adequate water supply. Then cotton textile industry. The cotton textile industry is one of the oldest industries in the world. Till the Industrial Revolution in 18th century, cotton cloth was made using hand spinning techniques and looms. In 18th century, power loom facilitated the development of cotton textile industry, first in Britain and later in other parts of India. First the Industrial Revolution Britain started ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ power loom Britain first വരികയും പിന്നെ മറ്റു രാജ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് വരികയും ചെയ്തു. Today India, China, Japan, US are important producers of cotton textiles. അങ്ങനെ വീവിംഗ് ഫീൽഡിൽ വലിയൊരു റെവല്യൂഷൻ തന്നെയാണ് ഈ മെഷീൻസിൻ്റെ കണ്ടുപിടുത്തം ഉണ്ടായത്. ഇന്ത്യ ഹാസ് എ ഗ്ലോറിയസ് ട്രഡീഷൻ ഓഫ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസിംഗ് എക്സലന്റ് ക്വാളിറ്റി കോട്ടൺ ടെക്സ്റ്റൈൽ ബിഫോർ ദ ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് റൂൾ. Indian handspun and hand-woven cloth already had a wide market in India. The muslins of Dhaka, chintz of Masulipatam, calico of Calicut and gold wrought cotton of Berhanpur, Surat and Vadodara were known worldwide of their quality and design. The next important point is the first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai in 1854. ആദ്യമായിട്ട് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ഒരു മെക്കനൈസ്ഡ് ടെക്സ്റ്റൈൽ മിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത് 1854 മുംബൈയിലാണ്. The warm, moist climate, a port for importing machinery, availability of raw material and skilled labor resulted in rapid expansion of the industry in the region. Initially, this industry flourished in the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat because of favorable humid climate, but today humidity can be created artificially and rock water is a pure and not well losing raw material. So, this industry has spread to other parts of India, Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry and Panipat are some of the other important centers. One of the famous textile city of India is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat on the banks of the Sabarmati river. The first mill was established in Ahmedabad in 1859. It soon became the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. Ahmedabad was therefore known as the Manchester of India. Ahmedabad is known as Manchester of India. India Manchester textile city. Favorable locational factors were responsible for the development of the textile industry in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is situated very close to cotton growing area. All these factors is responsible for the growth of cotton in Ahmedabad. Then Osaka, it is an important textile center of Japan. One of the important textile center of Japan is known as Osaka. Osaka is known as the Manchester of Japan. ഇവിടെയും ലൊക്കേഷണൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഫേവറബിൾ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഒസാക്ക, ജപ്പാനിലെ ഒസാക്കയിൽ ടെക്സ്റ്റൈൽ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രി വെൽ ഡെവലപ്ഡ് ആണ്. ലൊക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് പോർട്ട് ഫെസിലിറ്റി, ഇമ്പോർട്ടഡ് കോട്ടൺ ആൻഡ് ഫോർ എക്സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് ടെക്സ്റ്റൈൽസ്, ഇമ്പോർട്ടഡ് റോ മെറ്റീരിയൽസ്. പിന്നെ the river Yodo provides sufficient water for the mills. Labor is easily available. Location of port facility, imported raw cotton and for exporting textiles. ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മുടെ ഒസാക്കയെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് സ്റ്റീൽ സിറ്റിയാണ്. That's all this lesson. Everybody read the lesson very well and study well. Let's wind up the class. Thanks.